Phuket isn't just about the beaches. Today we are stepping into the heart of its history, exploring the hidden charm of Old Town.
From vibrant streets and culture-packed corners to discovering one of Phuket's most peaceful, underrated beaches, Nai Thon.
Trust me, you'll want to see how this day ends.
What's up, everybody? We made it to Phuket Old Town. Quick little 10-minute trip, not even. And we're gonna see what it has to offer. We saw by the pictures, it looks really cool. So we're eager to see the buildings and try some food. We'll stop somewhere for lunch. And we'll see where it goes from there. We're not really sure. We're kind of just winging it. It's hot as shit today, so that's nothing new. But we'll see what we come across. Yeah. Yeah, we've been kind of spoiled at the beach every day. But we'll work our way over there and then we'll come back and check in with you. Yeah.
Here are a lot of gold shops.
Yeah, Thai gold apparently is a thing. You get it pretty cheap. Yeah, very. Like it's a happening place. We are arriving at Queen Sirikit Park. This stunning golden sculpture is called Leng, a mythical sea dragon believed to protect Phuket. It was built in 2006 to celebrate 60 years of the King Boom. I'm definitely messing that name up. His reign, anyways. Yeah.
Just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour.
These ones are like the ones in Morocco.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Soap.
And mango soap.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
Sugar tits.
You know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two arms. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby,
Old Town Phuket. We just stopped by Argentinian steakhouse, ironically called El Gacho. It's another Argentinian steakhouse in Albania, one of my favorite places to eat.
I think it's the same.
Yeah, it might be the same. Now we stopped at this little Thai diner and was getting some seafood soup. And we're getting out of the sun because it is 35 degrees outside, or at least it feels like it. So we're enjoying some nice cold iced black Thai tea. And we're gonna take a little breather, and then we're gonna walk around and do some more sightseeing in Old Town Phuket.
Black tea, noodle soup, and our beautiful view. I want to try the roll first. It's shrimp roll. It's very good. Has a lot of flavor.
Yeah. There we go.
It feels like stepping into a colorful time capsule. The streets are lined with beautifully preserved Sino-Portuguese buildings, charming structures that are blend European elegance with Chinese heritage. These pastel-painted shop houses featured arch windows, intricate wooden doors, and ornamental stucco facades. Each one is telling a story of the island's multicultural past. You'll notice how the architecture reflects Phuket's history as a vibrant trade hub, with influence from Chinese immigrants and Portuguese colonial design. Whether it's in the iconic blue or yellow shop houses of Thalang Road or the elegant mansions tucked into quiet side streets, Old Town Phuket architecture is a feast for the eyes. And not to mention your camera lens too. We stopped by Wat Mongkol Nimit here in Phuket Old Town. Unfortunately, it was closed, so we couldn't go inside. Still, the exterior was absolutely stunning. If you're enjoying the journey with us, hit that subscribe button and follow us along for the rest of our adventures.
What's up, guys? We just arrived at Nai Thon Beach. We wanted to mix it up a little bit. We've been going to Mai Khao, which is right by us. And we found this beach. It's about 15 minutes south of us. It's beautiful here. A few more tourists, but it's right off the road. So we're gonna enjoy some time in the water, change up our location and the scenery for today. And that's about it.
It's very clean in here. There are people cleaning everything. It's a villa complex in the cliff, and we're near the bridge that is an icon for this place. That's why the majority of people come. But beside the bridge, we like very much the water, the sand, or a lot of trees. It's beautiful. We love that there are a lot of trees in here. The nature is beautiful. And here is John under our umbrella. Being one with nature. These are some tree branches. They have done some tree swing. There are a lot of coconut trees in here.
Yeah.
The beauty is that even though it's a known spot for the bridge, still there aren't a lot of people. You can be in your own space and enjoy.
Coming out early definitely helps.
Yeah, sure. For sure. See the water. Oh, it feels amazing.
Yeah, the water's definitely more seafood here.
Yeah, it's way better. Sand is so white. It's so We're taking a walk beside the sea, and this is the situation. Maybe we'll have rain soon.
So we thought we were going to be able to get away from the rain and make it home in time, but unfortunately it got even worse as we started driving. So we stopped at 7-Eleven and we're taking refuge underneath this shack until it hopefully goes away, because we could be here a long time.
We made it. Probably.
Thank you. I'm here for it. Actually,
Was very bad.
photographer.
Not talk about photographer, please. We have to make a fight every time you take the photo, like every man. No? It was a heavy rain, in fact, but we made it. It was 10 or 15 minutes. Right, it was raining. Then we suddenly went in a zone that there wasn't rain at all. It was very hot, and we came at our beach. Even though we were enjoying very much staying there, it was beautiful.
That was our 30 days in Phuket, Thailand. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the videos and some of the tours and stuff that we did, like heading out to Similan Islands and Phi Phi Don and seeing Maya Bay.
If you haven't watched all our videos, I'll put the description below where you can click and watch all of them.
Yeah, and stay tuned for the next destination. Where will we end up? We shall see.
Follow us on social media so you'll be daily updated and see our next adventure.
And don't forget to subscribe.